How to fix no internet connection on CapCut. Let's get started. First off, check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings, enable for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then toggle it off. Likewise, click on the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. For this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Next, restart CapCut. Force close CapCut by swiping off from the app switcher and then reopen it. This can resolve minor app glitches. Update CapCut to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store, then search with the app CapCut. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, and then update the app to its latest version. Check CapCut server status. For that, navigate to your preferred browser, head over to this website, Down Detector, then type in CapCut and search for it. Sometimes CapCut servers could be down. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, close this, disable VPN. If you are using a VPN, it could be causing connection issues with CapCut. Turn off VPN and then reopen the app. Next up, you can reset your network settings. For that, head back, navigate to the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset Network Settings, type in your passcode and go through the process. If this solution doesn't work for you, you can completely delete CapCut app from your device and reinstall it. For that, close this, press and hold on the CapCut app. Click on Delete App, click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your App Store, search for the app and then download it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.